Begin a culinary journey and improve your baking skills. As we are going to reveal the secrets to making excellent artisanal bread in your own kitchen, discover the art and science behind creating bread that exceed the ordinary. Capture the essence of time-honored traditions with cutting-edge cuisine. This guide is your passport to the world of handcrafted loaves, where every step is a tactile trip. This journey takes you from choosing high-quality ingredients to mastering the delicate dance of production. Unleash your creativity with diverse recipes that cater to every palate, ensuring that each slice is a masterpiece in itself. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a novice, our step-by-step instructions will demystify the process. It empowers you to infuse your home with the irresistible aroma of baked artisanal bread. Join us on a flour-dusted journey where passion meets accuracy. Turn your kitchen into a haven for delicious handcrafted bread that will make an indelible impact on your taste buds. Set off on a culinary adventure that goes beyond the ordinary. Discover the thrill of making your own artisanal bread right in the kitchen of your own home. In this exciting trip, we discover the secrets that turn simple ingredients into a symphony of flavors and textures. Begin with the foundation, the flour. Choose premium, high-quality flour to lay the groundwork for a loaf that boasts both character and depth. Next, embrace the art of fermentation. Allow time to be your friend as the dough matures, developing its unique personality with each passing moment. No artisanal bread is complete without the touch of hand kneading. Feel the dough come alive beneath your fingertips, turning a simple mixture into a work of edible art. The solid connection to your creation adds a personal depth to the process, turning each loaf into a monument to your hard work. Try with different shapes as you roll the dough, from rustic rounds to slim bread, allowing your imagination to guide the final product. The magic continues with the baking process. Investigate the oven's magic as it changes the dough into a golden brown beauty. It fills your home with an alluring scent that indicates the impending delight. Don't underestimate the power of steam. Adding moisture to the baking process assures a crunchy exterior that gives way to a light, fluffy inside. Dare to experiment with flavors by incorporating herbs, seeds, or even dried fruits into your dough. The options are limitless, allowing you to tailor each batch to your unique taste preferences. Your kitchen becomes a canvas for culinary expression, from conventional bread to innovative olive and rosemary mixtures. After you've mastered the fundamentals, explore the realm of bread starters, developing your own wild yeast for a true, tangy kick. With time and practice, you'll find yourself composing a symphony of flavors and textures. It captivates the senses, rather baking the bread. In the realm of artisanal bread making, the journey is as rewarding as the destination. Embrace the process, savor the aromas, and relish the pride that comes with each homemade loaf. Elevate your kitchen into a haven of creativity, where the simple act of baking becomes an art form and your bread a masterpiece. Enjoy the victory of transforming simple ingredients into a culinary marvel as you taste the aroma of your own made artisanal bread. Your journey into the realm of bread making demonstrates your passion, creativity, and joy in the simple act of creating something remarkable. Share your creations with friends and family, and let the warm, crusty loaves become a symbol of your kitchen talent. Try with various flavors, shapes, and techniques to make each batch a unique reflection of your culinary expertise. As you leave the kitchen, satisfied with the fulfillment of a good bake, remember that the craft of producing artisanal bread is a celebration. It's a pure pleasure, found in breaking bread with those you care about. May your kitchen always be filled with the tempting aroma of handmade sweetness till your next baking adventure. Are you ready to elevate your home baking experience? Unleash your inner artisan with our step-by-step guide to making delicious bread from scratch. Transform your kitchen into a haven of delectable aromas and unparalleled flavors. Don't miss out on the joy of creating your own artisanal bread. Get started today. Join us in the delightful journey of dough and let the magic unfold in every slice you made. Your culinary adventure awaits. Happy baking!